Hello, this will be our last classwork for graphing using negative slopes. Okay, so our first step is to determine the equation in slope-intercept form. And that's going to go ahead and be y equals mx plus b. Okay, so slope is going to be our m, and b is going to be the y-intercept. Y-intercept. Alright. Beautiful. Okay, in order to determine the slope, we need to follow those 4 steps that we talked about earlier this week. So step 1, pick and label. Pick and label. Okay, so pick and label, that's going to be anywhere where there's an intersection within the grid line. So for an example right there, that is a intersection. No, 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 yes, no, 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 yes, so forth. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to choose here at 0, -6, and -2 and -3. So I even label this point. So -2, -3. And this point right here would be don't go anywhere left or right, but go down directly 6. Alright. Number 2, change in y, which equals, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to count. Let's see, we're going to go up 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to go up 3. So change in y is equal to 3. Step 3 is change in x equals. So once we're up 3 here, we're going to go to the left 1, 2. So let me say it again. We went up 1, 2, 3, but now we are going left, so that is a -2. So x equals -2. Step 4, slope. And the slope is going to be change in y divide change in x equals 3 divide -2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that negative in front. Something like that. There we go. Okay. Now, the only other piece of information I need is the y-intercept. Alright, so y-intercept. So what we really need is both the slope and the y-intercept. But in this case, we just need the y-intercept. Alright, y-intercept actually is conveniently right there. Alright, which is that point there. So that's the y-intercept. Ooh. Horrible spelling. Bad painter. Let's go back. There we go. And that's y-intercept. Intercept. Beautiful. Okay. And the y-intercept is crossing right here at -6. So that's the y value there. So -6. Alright. Plug them in. So now we got y equals -3 divide 2. X, don't forget the x is part of the slope, minus 6. And that right there we can't simplify. You can't simplify -3 over 2, and you can't simplify the x because it's a non-zero. So that right there is as far as you can go. This concludes the tutorial for negative slopes.